Hey guys, the GoPro Hero 10, great little camera. Just going to show you some of the basics to get started. So we turn it on. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you may find that I am running a card that is too slow at the moment, saying upgrade my SD card. We'll just bypass that. So when you open it up, what you're going to do is you're here. Now there's two ways to change your settings. One is just to swipe left or right. You can go from time-lapse to video to camera by swiping, or the button on the end here, you can also press to scroll through the different settings. Now the thing that I like about this button on the side is it shows you on the back screen, but if you have a look on the front screen, it also will do it on the front screen. So if you've got the camera mounted, you can see on the front there, if it's mounted on the car, you can look on the front and see what setting modes you're in. Simple way to do it. Just remember the swipe works great, or the button on the side. Guys, get out there, make some great content with your GoPro Hero 10s and have fun doing it. See ya.